Hey, good morning everyone, Roger the Real Deal Guy here, coming to you live from Holiday Resort Unity and Breen Country Club. It's opening day of the season, people. Look, the sun is trying to break through. It knows how important today is. Now, Roger the Real Deal Guy, that is me, and you're like, who, what, hey? Yes, Roger. Newest member of the Holiday Home Sales team here at Holiday Resort Unity and at Breen Country Club. And what's the Real Deal Guy bit? Because that's who I am. I am Roger the Real Deal Guy. I am here to find you the best possible deals on holiday home ownership within the group. That's what I do. That's what my ambition in life is to keep you guys happy and thoroughly enjoying holiday home ownership. Now, whether or not you're looking for a pre-owned or a brand new, or even one of our fabulous lodges over at Breen Country Club, I am here to find you the best possible deal that makes everything tick for you guys to enjoy. So that's all what I do. Do you know what I mean? It's opening day of the season. It's 2020, people. What more could you possibly want? Sun shining, an array of some marvelous holiday homes here on our showground. 2-bed, 3-bed, pre-owned, brand new. We have everything. Oh, and did I say, look, we've even got a lodge. What more could you possibly want? Now, all I want you guys to do is come down, see me, say, hey, Rog, hey, Real Deal, whatever you wish to do. And I will be here to assist you in any way possible. Now, what I want to do is just show you through a couple of our holiday homes we've got here. So should we go and have a little look and let's see what we have on offer. We've got the Spirit and we've got the Supreme. They are amazing built holiday homes. And we want you guys to come down and give your opinion on them. That's what they're here for. This weekend, come down, fill out a little survey form, tell us what you think. They really are superb holiday homes and we want you to do it. Now, don't forget, we've also got the tax clinic. So if you've looked into sublet, you're currently doing sublet, these guys are here to show you how you can get some money back from the tax man and everything else like that. I mean, how much fun is that? You come down, you look at holiday homes, and you've got an option of seeing if you can get some money back. Life's not too bad, is it? Look, as I say, sun's still shining because it always shines on the righteous. We know this. Opening day of the season, it really is. So, all I want you guys to do from now on is just keep commenting below on my videos. If there's a model you want to see, let me know. I will do activities, I'm going to do models. I am here to show you what it's like to be an owner here at Holiday Resort Unity and Breen Country Club. That's simple. Now, you can follow me on YouTube. I have my own YouTube page, Roger the Real Deal Guy. On there is a vast array of different holiday homes and bits and pieces you can do as owners. Really is that simple. Or the most sensible way, pick up the phone, give me a call, 07493 098 497. Literally, give me a call, ask me questions, drop me a text, I will respond whichever way you want. If you can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. I am here for whatever your needs are with regards to holiday home ownership. So if you want to look at the possibility of what it's like to become an owner, come and see me. If you're an owner and you maybe want to be looking into upgrading, come and see me. I am here to assist you in any which way I can. But for now, people, enjoy opening day of the season. Enjoy the rest of your day. We're going to have a stunning weekend and we really want you to come and see us. And it's not a deal, it's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.